In this episode, we will learn how to pass custom object between two activities using Parsable interface. Start the Android Studio, make another activity, right click on package name, new activity, then empty activity, name it as second activity, click on finish. Define key value pair in our second activity, public static final string extra data equal to extra data. Now make a new model class, right click on package name, new Java class and name it as employee. Define our variables. Now make a constructor, right click, generate constructor, then select all these and click on OK. Now define getter and setter methods, right click, generate getter and setter, select all and click OK. Now implement the employee class with the Parsable interface. Click on red button and implements all the methods. There is also another error. Then click on bulb and add Parsable implementation. Now go to activity main.xml, drag a button in our activity layout, define constant for this button, change the name of this button, send data. Now go to main activity.java, define our button, declare a array list of employee class, private array list employee. Find button in our activity layout. Now make a method add employee. And add the data to the employee class. Employee.add new employee, name, email and age. Now add another employee. Define a click listener on button, button.set on click listener, new view on click listener, call the method add employee, create a new intent object containing second activity as target activity intent I equal to new intent context main activity dot this and the target activity class second activity dot class. Now add the data in the form of key value pair using parsable array list extra I dot put parsable array list extra and pass the parameter key and employees. Now start the target activity with intent start activity and pass the intent object I. Now go to activity second.xml. Here define 6 text views in our activity. Now change the ID of each text view. So our design is ready. Now go to second activity.java, define our text views. Then declare an array list of employee class. Find the text views in our activity layout. Then get the data from the main activity employee equal to get intent dot get parsable array list extra and pass the key extra data and finally set the data to our text views. So our coding is finished. Now we can test the application. When we click on the send data, the custom object is sent to second activity. I hope you will understand this concept. Please subscribe my channel for getting more Android tutorials.